Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see the second unit, that is spark ignited engines for the subject applied thermodynamics, second year mechanical engineering. Now in this video we are going to see how SI engine fuels are rated. It means that how petrol fuel is rated. In that we will discuss the procedure of rating, what is the octane number, and what are the additives used to increase that octane number. Uh, Increasing octane number means it will increase the isooctane content of the fuel. Now let us move and go through the. Now let us see the contents, rating of IC engine fuels, octane number, and additives for SI engine fuels. Now the point we will discuss first is the rating of SI engine fuels. Rating. Now what is the octane number? Basically we will go through a rough demonstration of octane number. What is octane number first, and then we will see the detailed definition of octane number. Octane number rating of fuel indicates the ability to resist the knock. Now here important thing we will see is the, it is nothing but the quality of fuel or the ability of fuel to resist the detonation. So in simple words, the definition of octane number is ability to resist detonation or knocking. Rating of fuels is compared with the standard CFR, that is by changing the variable compression ratio, or in that case, and fuel rating is compared with the blend of standard reference fuel, which is a combination of isooctane and N-heptane. Now here please note that reference fuel, we are actually testing the fuel with variable compression ratios for its ability to, or to check its ability to knock, and that reference fuel is taken as isooctane, that is C8H18 isooctane, C8H18, and N-heptane C7H16. Now in details we will discuss. So isooctane, that is isooctane C8H18 is assigned 100 octane number as it is having minimum detonation tendency, whereas N-heptane has 0 octane number and has high tendency to detonate. So if the fuel contains isooctane 100, we will call it as 100 octane petrol, and if it contains entire amount of N-heptane, so that fuel will have a 0 octane number. So in simple words, isooctane has less knocking tendency. Higher the octane number, it is better. Less the octane number means the N-heptane content in the fuel has increased. Now let us go in details what is a octane number. Octane number, the percentage of volume of isooctane, that is C8H18, in mixture of isooctane and N-heptane represents the octane rating of the fuel. So this is nothing but a definition of octane number, the percentage of isooctane in the mixture of octane and N-heptane. And if the percentage of isooctane is 100% by volume, the petrol or the fuel is called as 100 cetane petrol, and in India generally we get 91 octane petrol. So in India we have 91 octane petrol, but we also get premium petrol which is having 95 octane rating. It is also called as premium petrol, or some manufacturers call it as speed petrol. But generally minimum octane rating of fuel in India is 91 octane. Now we'll take an example. If the fuel is assigned 80 octane number, it means that the fuel has the same tendency to detonate in a mixture of fuel having 80% of isooctane and 20% of N-heptane by volume basis, on volume basis. Now let us go through the procedure how octane rating of a fuel is determined. Now in for octane rating, to find the octane number, the test engine is run at a specific conditions using the fuel to be tested. So we have to run the engine at on specified conditions by the given blend of fuel. Now here CR, that is the compression ratio, is adjusted at the standard level of knock. So the compression ratio is continuously varied, so that we will select an optimum compression ratio where the knocking tendency does not take place. Okay, because knocking is highly undesirable. The test fuel is then replaced with a mixture of two standard fuels, that is isooctane and N-heptane. Now here when we have adjusted the compression ratio, we will replace it by a mixture of isooctane and N-heptane. Fuel injection system is designed so that it can handle the blends of fuel in all the percentage criteria. If you can vary the isooctane and N-heptane percentage. So this is a generalized procedure to find out the octane rating. Now let us go through the additives. Additives or dopes for SI engine fuels are those chemical compounds which increase the octane rating of the fuel. So what is basically a additive? Fuel additive are the additives are the chemical compounds when added to fuels in a very small amount or quantities which will affect the anti-knocking characteristics. So in simple words, it is just like an anti-knocking characteristic chemical compound which actually increases the octane rating of the fuel. If octane rating increases, the knocking tendency of the engine reduces. Requirement of additives are that they should remain stable and in liquid form in all atmospheric conditions and should vaporize in intake manifold without producing any harms deposits in the cylinder walls. So these are some physical properties additive should possess. It should be stable. It should remain in the liquid form at all the atmospheric conditions, that is hot and cold conditions. It should vaporize at in the intake manifolds because as petrol is volatile, it vaporizes. The additive should also vaporize, and it should not produce any harmful deposits in the cylinder, either in the intake manifold or on the walls. So these are some general requirements of an additive. Now let us go through which are the additives to increase the octane rating of the fuel, that is petrol. So the important additives to increase the octane rating, that is TEL, tetraethyl or ethylene dibromide, TEL or ethylene dibromide, that is methyl aniline toluidine phenol, TML, tetramethyl lead, hydrotreated aliphatic and methyl cyclopentadiene manganese tricarbonyl, that is MMT. So these are some of the additives which are used as octane inhibitors. Those are also called as inhibitors. So 1% ethyl fluid by volume in the overall fuel increases the octane rating of the fuel. So thank you friends, thank you very much.